Okay, we're going to do a walk around video of the 1976 MG Midget so that you'll have a better idea of the condition of the vehicle, in addition of course to the photos posted online. And here if we come to the driver's side, I just wanted to point out there is one blemish here on the hood, if you could see that, but that's that photo is also online. And see on the driver's side, there is another blemish where somebody apparently tried to touch it up right there. And we'll take a quick view of the inside, and there are no cracks or rips in the interior, and the door panels or dash or seats, etc. And you could see also the plugs where the Z-Bart was applied. And then we'll show now the boot and interior inside of it. And you can see the bag that contains the tonneau cover and the convertible top cover when it's down, and the black bag that contains the jack and the lug wrench. And then we'll move around to the passenger side. And we'll take a look under the hood. Release the hood cable. And here you can see the engine compartment. Radiator support. And you can see that the engine is cold right now. It's about 40 degrees Fahrenheit ambient temperature today. So I'll move back inside and we'll give it a start. Neutral, gauges. Pull out the choke. And that's it.